Today, we're stepping into one of the most powerful shifts you can make in your life: vision crafting from identity instead of circumstance. Most people think vision is about goals, dream boards, or things they want to achieve someday. But real vision isn't about what you want, it's about who you're becoming. And if your vision doesn't expand your identity, it will never pull you forward consistently. This is where people get stuck. They create goals that match their current identity instead of their future one. So their vision feels exciting for a moment, then heavy, then unrealistic, then forgotten. Today, we change that. Up to this point in the course, you've realized old patterns, strengthened self trust, regulated your nervous system, and learned how to lead yourself internally. Now it's time to give your mind a direction. The subconscious mind needs a destination. Without a clear internal picture of who you are becoming, your nervous system defaults to safety and familiarity. That's why people unconsciously sabotage growth, not because they're broken, but because their system doesn't know where it's going. Vision crafting is the act of teaching your subconscious mind what normal looks like at the next level. When your subconscious recognizes a future identity as safe, familiar, and aligned, your behavior begins to reorganize automatically. This is not hype, this is how the brain works. The reticular activating system filters reality based on what it believes matters. Vision tells it what matters. But here's the key distinction most teachers miss. You don't visualize outcomes, you embody identity. Outcomes come and go, identity stays. If your vision is only about money, success, or freedom, it will collapse under pressure. But if your vision is about who you are being while creating those outcomes, it becomes stable, grounded, and inevitable. So today we are crafting an expansion identity, the version of you who lives, thinks, decides, and moves at the next level. This identity doesn't rush, it doesn't chase, it doesn't panic, it trusts itself, it acts from clarity instead of fear, and most importantly, it feels safe in expansion. Take a moment and notice this. When you imagine your next level, does your body relax or tighten? If it tightens, that's not a sign you're incapable. It's a sign your nervous system hasn't been introduced to that identity yet. Vision crafting is how we introduce it gently, consistently, and powerfully. Your expansion identity has values. It has standards. It has pace. It has boundaries. It has a relationship with time, money, energy, and responsibility. And you don't become that identity someday. You begin practicing it today in small, grounded ways. Here's the shift I want you to make. Stop asking, what do I want? And start asking, who must I become so this life feels natural? When the identity changes, effort decreases, resistance fades, momentum builds. As you move forward, your vision is not something you chase, it's something you step into. You don't force alignment. You allow it by choosing thoughts, behaviors, and environments that match who you are becoming. That's expansion identity. Today is not about fantasy, it's about embodiment. And once your vision is rooted in identity, your life starts reorganizing itself around it. This is where things begin to feel inevitable instead of exhausting. This is how growth becomes sustainable. This is how you expand without burning out.